Hola y bienvenido a Piedra Curiosa. Today we're going to learn how to conjugate verbs that end in ER. In the last video, we learned that there are three different types of infinitive verbs. Those are AR verbs, like hablar, ER verbs, like vender, and IR verbs, like vivir. During the last video, we also learned how to conjugate an AR verb. The process for conjugating ER verbs is exactly the same. The only difference is that some of the individual conjugations are different letters. If you'll remember, with AR verbs, the first thing that we did was identify the AR verb ending. Then we replaced it with new conjugations. We have to do the same thing with ER verbs. Today we'll use the verb vender for our first example. Here is the infinitive form. See if you can identify the ER ending on each verb. Great. Now eliminate that ending. Now we're left with the root of each verb. In this case, we are left with vend. Just like we learned for the AR verbs, there is a unique conjugation for each subject pronoun. These conjugations are slightly different than the conjugations that we learned for AR verbs. These are the conjugations for the ER verbs. Copy these endings down into your notes. Yo vendo, tú vendes, usted, él, and ella vende. Nosotros or nosotras vendemos. Vosotros or vosotras vendéis. And ustedes, ellos, and ellas venden. Remember that singular proper nouns, like Maria, for example, would use the third person singular. Maria vende galletas. And plural proper nouns, like Roberto y Maria, would use the plural third person. For example, Roberto y Maria venden galletas. Now it's your turn. Try and conjugate this ER verb, comer. Pause the video, then write down your verb conjugations. Hi, welcome back. Let's make sure you went through the right process. First, identify the ER ending. Then eliminate it. Now add your conjugations. Yo como, tú comes, usted, él, or ella come, nosotros or nosotras comemos, vosotros or vosotras coméis, y ustedes, ellos, and ellas comen. Practice these endings and repeat them until you can repeat all of them out loud correctly. O, es, hemos, eis, en. In the next video, we'll take a look at IR verb endings, which are very similar to the ER verb endings. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. As always, check out piedracuriosa.com for more videos and resources. Hasta la próxima!